Hi, today we are going to build this beautiful bell. The unique feature of this bell design is that I have tried to make a ribbon. I have to try to make a ribbon in the solid design so it have a different look. You can find, and I have made this presentation. I even put a cat there. He looks good. And this design can be uh, you can get this design from Creative Fabrica for free for now, and this particular design is available for free. The uh, link will be in the description, and there is another design I have created which costs money, but this is also available, and this design is available for free, which I am going to build this bell today. I have created these different bells, and now I want to create the bell with the bow. So I'll choose this one and I'll just hide everything, open a new layer and bring the design I built right in the middle of the artboard like this. Now I will like to add some bows to it. So for that, simply what I'm going to do, first of all, I'll bring up my guides and I want the bows to be here. So let's start building the bow. So I'll choose pencil tool, choose 1 point stroke. Let's see how the bows can be built like that. Maybe it's too big, make it smaller and bring it here. Change it from stroke to fill. Here you go, one side of the bow is built, but I want to make it like more nicer. So what I'm going to do, first of all I'm going to lock everything, even lock this layer so I can show you what I am doing. What I want those crease lines or folded lines in this bow. So what I'm going to do, again I'm going to select the pencil tool, so swap to fill to stroke, choose a different color so I can see what I'm doing, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw lines like that, simple lines like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to simplify even these lines. Object, path, simplify. This line is now very clean, and this line, object, path, simplify. I just want to clean these lines. Object, path, simplify. Now these lines have character of the style I drew, but they have less anchor points. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to select all of those, increase their width, and I will just check that they are apart from each other so there is enough material between them, and I'm going to choose variable width profile. So I'll choose maybe this one, choose this one, and they look good. So I'll simply go to select them, object, expand appearance, and unite. Now the problem I find sometimes is that it just makes so many anchor points. So to reduce the anchor points, I will go to object, path, simplify, and I'll choose, maybe I'll do it one by one. So ungroup, object, path, simplify, and I'll just bring this slider in the middle. So this have now 4 points. I'm happy with that. And again I'll select this one, object, path, simplify, and now this have 4 points and enough thickness. This one, object, path, simplify, again this has 2 points, and now these are good. These have less number of points, and if I cut it on this ribbon, they will look very nice. So let's finish this design. What I'm going to do, I'm going to now unlock this layer, select everything and choose. Now remember, these three are different entities and this is a different object. So if I combine everything, I will select everything and go to Pathfinder and use minus front, it will cut these objects through this bow. Now I'll just, to make it symmetrical, I will use right select, transform, reflect, and make a copy, and take this copy to the other side of the bell, or I can just hold shift and drag and it will stay in its position. Just to make sure that they are aligned, I will go to align to selection from align and group them, and again go to align to artboard. Now I will align everything right in the middle of the artboard. Now this bell is ready to go. So simply I will select it, object, expand, unite, and check in my layers panel. What is this? This is a group. Maybe there are some points. If there are extra paths, ungroup, choose your shape, drag it out, leave those paths there and delete. Now this is a clean shape. It is the only thing on this layer. So our bell with the bow is ready. Moreover, here this part is blank, so people can write down the monogram of the family, or they can do a lot of things. But for the laser cutters, this file will now work, and they have so many options to modify this design. I finally created this bundle, this particular design. I have created a snowflake and cut through this bell. This bundle is available from my Creative Fabrica shop for free. So you can see this bundle is free. These can be downloaded, and the link will be in the description. The other bundle which I made is this one, and this have different type of motifs, hearts and stars, and the single line designs for the laser cutting. This particular bundle, you can buy it from any of my shops. So you can go to Etsy, maybe to my shop on Etsy, and buy this bundle from Etsy. So you can see I have also built these designs. They are ready for laser cutting, and they are single line designs are also included. Thank you.